Okay, dear customers. So other companies are a lot of not only provided with solar cameras, but also it's like for the sonars. We got a different type of sonars. Now this type with a very small ones, 3.5, 3.3 to 3.5, and also got a 5 wallet and a 10 wallet. Yeah. So if you if you think your wallet or scale of power of the electricity is not enough, just let us know in advance. You can order from us from the solar independent. Yeah, because we can provide a one-stop service, almost one-stop service, any kind of a service. Let us know in advance. Thanks for watching.